The initial identification and selection procedure for candidate alloys selection, if done properly, will eliminate those alloys which are unsuitable and those which are excessively expensive. Dear friends, my name is Yusuf. Today I am here to talk to you about corrosion resistant alloys for oil field downhole tubing and flow lines.
The selection of suitable corrosion resistant alloy can be a challenging task. There are a number of approaches that the companies adopt for the selection of alloys for their downhole tubing and flow lines. Typically, the companies having research facilities initiate a test program that involves simulating the particular part of the production fluid for corrosivity evaluation. Rather than testing all alloys, it is more cost effective and less time consuming to test only a few alloys that are likely to become candidate alloys. Then a group of alloys based on information available is selected that represents a possible range of alternative alloys. This approach can easily require 1 to 3 years to get accomplished at a considerable cost. Another selection approach is to review the literature for corrosion data that generally applies to the predicted field conditions. This can result in elimination of those alloys that are not good candidates and as such narrow down the number of candidate alloys for more testing. The selected alloys are then tested under very specific conditions to fill up gaps in literature data and field experience. Care must be taken when using this approach because the corrosion resistance of many alloys at one set of operating conditions is not necessarily indicative of their corrosion resistance behavior at other set of operating conditions. Likewise, changes in production fluid corrosivity can have a considerable impact on the resistance to pitting corrosion and stress corrosion cracking issues. The fast and least expensive alloy selection approach is simply to review the literature and to study similar field data to make the selection. This approach can be quite unsatisfactory since certain critical parameters will remain unknown and their values are based on assumption. A greater chance of error exists in this selection approach that may introduce a potential of failure of the alloy or use of a more expensive alloy that is required. Commonly, an alloy selection approach which is not recommended but is often used in the industry called just solution. That is to select alloy readily available or to acquire most economical alloy without evaluating its full corrosion resistance behavior in desired production fluid conditions. For this reason, misapplication of alloys is becoming more common that eventually leads to pitting corrosion and stress corrosion cracking. However, it is preferred that before extensive efforts are made for final selection of alloys, a preliminary selection of few candidate alloys are performed. Then, for the final selection of alloys, a standard testing program in a simulated field environment is carried out and a life cycle cost analysis is performed. While doing this, corrosion inhibitor injection program and provision for corrosion allowance inclusion are also taken into consideration.
Thank you very much for watching this video. In my next video, I will bring for you more detail about the selection of corrosion resistant alloys for oil field downhole tubing and flow lines. Moreover, I would like to receive your comments and feedback on this video content.